Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Nate from FerociousBeard.com. Thanks for popping in over here on our YouTube channel. Wanted to let you guys know about a couple of things that are happening here at FerociousBeard.com. I'm waiting for some butters to cool, and so I figured I'd make a quick video just to touch base with you all and let you know what's happening over here. So for this week, we're going to be giving away Boar Bristle Brushes. And all you need to do to get your own boar bristle brush is spend $20 or more. Don't worry about adding the brush to the shopping cart. We'll add it automatically to your package, which looks like this. This is a Ferocious Beard Mail package. We'll put that into there and ship it to you with your order at no extra charge. So all you have to do is spend $20 or more at FerociousBeard.com and you will be receiving this week one of these brushes. And when I say this week, I mean through Sunday. We ran the sale today and it was received well, and I thought it was a great deal. And I also thought it would be a good idea to get these brushes out to you. A lot of people don't have, well, I won't say that. Some of our customers don't have brushes yet. And brushes, in my opinion, are great for your beard. Especially these are boar bristle brushes. They're really good for your beard, for your hair. And so I wanted you to experience this if you hadn't had a boar bristle brush before. So again, through Sunday, we'll be giving away these boar bristle brushes with any $20 purchase. And don't worry about adding it to the shopping cart. We will put it into your package at no extra charge. And we sell these for $12.50, so it's a great deal. You're going to get it for free, and all you have to do is spend $20 at FerociousBeard.com. And on top of that, you can save 20% on all your beard products using code 2020 this year. That's the entire year. You can use code 2020 and you will save 20% at FerociousBeard.com. That's it for me for now. I figured I'd just pop in real quick. Oh, actually, I did have another thing. Did you guys notice the intro when you saw this video? This is the brand new intro that we're using. I want to play it again, so take a look. Give me 1 second, I'll cue it up here. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know. I'd really like to get your opinion on what you think of the intro now here at our YouTube channel. Well, that does it for me for now. I will be back as time permits to make another video and to touch base with y'all. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.